Ever wish your car could just drive itself on the highway? Well, that's not science fiction. That's cruise control. But how does your car actually hold a steady speed without your foot on the pedal? Today, we're breaking down the mechanics, electronics, and logic behind one of the most underrated driving technologies. What is cruise control? Cruise control is a system that automatically maintains a vehicle's speed without the driver needing to keep their foot on the accelerator. It's especially useful on long highway trips, helping reduce fatigue and even improve fuel efficiency. The basics: mechanical versus electronic. There are two main types of cruise control: mechanical, found in older vehicles, and electronic, which is now standard in modern cars. In mechanical systems, a cable physically connects the cruise control system to the throttle, adjusting it just like your foot would. In electronic systems, called drive-by-wire, a computer sends signals to an actuator that controls the throttle electronically. No cables, just code. How does it actually work? Here's what happens when you hit that set button. The system captures your current speed. The vehicle's engine control unit, ECU, takes over throttle control. The system constantly reads your speed from wheel sensors and adjusts throttle input to maintain it, whether you're on a flat road or a slight hill. What happens when you brake or accelerate? Cruise control isn't meant to override you. If you hit the brake, clutch, or tap the accelerator, the system disengages. This safety logic ensures that you remain in control at all times. Adaptive cruise control. Now, there's a more advanced version called adaptive cruise control. It uses radar and cameras to automatically maintain a safe distance from the car ahead. But don't worry, we're saving the deep dive on that for another video. Want to know how adaptive systems read traffic and make real-time decisions? Drop a comment below, and we'll break it down in the next one. Quick history. Cruise control dates back to the 1950s, invented by Ralph Teeter, a blind engineer who wanted a smoother ride after noticing his driver constantly change speed. Since then, it's evolved from vacuum-powered gadgets to intelligent, sensor-based systems. Recap how cruise control works. Cruise control maintains vehicle speed without pedal input. Mechanical systems use throttle cables. Modern ones use electronic actuators. The ECU adjusts throttle using real-time speed sensor data. Braking or accelerating disables the system. Adaptive Cruise adds radar and cameras for automatic distance keeping. So next time you're cruising down the highway, just remember, there's a lot of smart tech keeping things steady behind the scenes. Hit that like button if you learned something new and subscribe for more tech breakdowns on the stuff that moves us.